Welcome back to Inside Finance, where we break down the latest trends in finance to help you make smarter money moves. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more finance insights. Today's hot topic is one that's shaking up the investment world in 2024, the rise of artificial intelligence in investing. Yes, you heard that right, AI is not just for tech geeks anymore, it's becoming a major player in how we manage our money. So, what's the deal with AI in finance? Well, AI is transforming the investment landscape by making it smarter, faster, and more efficient. From automated trading systems to sophisticated financial forecasting, AI is revolutionizing how we approach investing. Let's break it down. First up, automated trading systems. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data in seconds, identifying patterns and executing trades with incredible precision. This means quicker reactions to market changes and potentially higher returns. Next, we have predictive analytics. AI can analyze historical data and current market trends to forecast future movements. This helps investors make more informed decisions, potentially reducing risks and improving investment strategies. Another exciting development is personalized financial advice. AI-powered platforms are now offering tailored investment recommendations based on your personal financial goals and risk tolerance. It's like having a financial advisor available 24/7. But it's not all smooth sailing. There are challenges and risks. For one, AI systems can be vulnerable to biases and errors if not properly designed and tested. Additionally, over-reliance on AI could lead to unforeseen consequences if the technology fails or makes inaccurate predictions. So, what should you do? Stay informed and use AI tools as part of a balanced investment strategy. Combine AI insights with your own research and consider consulting with a financial advisor to ensure you're making well-rounded decisions. That's a wrap on today's deep dive into AI in investing. What are your thoughts? Are you excited about the potential of AI in finance, or do you have concerns? Drop your comments below, I'd love to hear from you. Remember to like this video if you found it helpful and share it with your friends. And, if you haven't already, subscribe to Inside Finance for more insights and updates on the world of finance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.